Have you heard about the 2020 ICD-10 CM code changes? Well, in this video, I'll give you a peek into what is being proposed. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. The Inpatient Prospective Payment System, or IPPS, proposed rule suggests that there will be 273 new codes, 21 deleted codes, and 30 title revisions. According to the proposed rule, 10 chapters of ICD-10 CM are getting new codes. Let's take a look at a few of them. Chapter 19, which is for injury, poisoning, and certain other consequences of external causes, sections S00 through T88, is slated to receive 87 new codes. The new subcategories are being added to specify fractures that are seen in facial trauma cases. These include fractures of the eye wall. There are approximately 66 new acute fracture codes for this area. There are 18 new T codes that are proposed for poisoning, adverse effects, or underdosing of multiple unspecified drugs, medicaments, and biological substances. The new poisoning codes are divided into 4 causes: accidental, intentional, assault, and undetermined. You will also have 3 new codes to identify heat stroke and sunstroke. Chapter 20, External Causes of Morbidity, sections V00 through Y99, there are 75 new codes proposed in this area, and a total revamp of category Y35 is proposed. Y35 is for legal interventions, and right now this category distinguishes between injuries and encounters between law enforcement and civilians. Added codes are being proposed to specify when the injured person is not specified as a civilian or a bystander or law enforcement. There are also codes being added to detail when an injury was caused by a taser. Chapter 9, Diseases of the Circulatory System, sections I00 through I99. There are 4 new atrial fibrillation codes proposed to describe different forms of persistent and chronic atrial fibrillation. They are as follows: long-standing persistent atrial fibrillation, other persistent atrial fibrillation, chronic atrial fibrillation unspecified, and permanent atrial fibrillation. In Chapter 12, pressure ulcers were the focus in the diseases of skin and subcutaneous tissue chapters, and this section is L00 through L99. Category L89, pressure ulcers, will be expanded with a fixed character which shows pressure-induced deep tissue damage of various anatomic sites. There are 25 new codes proposed. Remember, these codes take effect with discharges from October 2019 through September 30th, 2020. The IPPS final rule is expected to be released in August or September. You will also see new manuals and/or changes to your encoders. Hopefully this information was helpful for you, particularly in becoming a certified marketable medical coder. Let me know in the comments below if it was. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, check out these videos. And check this out.
Let me ask you a few questions. Are you preparing for a medical coding certification exam? Is passing a medical coding certification exam the next step in your career? Do you need help to focus all the information you have learned regarding medical coding? Are you frustrated after taking a medical coding examination and not passing on the first, second, or even third time? If you have answered yes to any one of these questions, let us help you. pass that certification exam with our test-taking strategies for medical coding certification course. We provide you with the tips you need to pass your certification exam the first time. In this course, you will get a timed practice exam, a 30-minute coaching session to review your exam and identify areas of improvement, key coding concepts review for ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS coding, and multiple choice test-taking strategies. So if you are ready to reach that certification goal, let us help you. Learn more at bit.ly/OhioPRN online test-taking strategies. Don't gamble on your success. Let us help you.
Feel free to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications when we upload new content. I love hearing from you, so let me know you were here by providing a comment. Let's stay connected. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.